3D Printing in Teaching and Education by Simon Ford and Tim Minchell.
Independent variable. 3D printing was identified as part of a suite of other tools used to provide accessible materials, including pre-teaching and image and video description. The main advantages of using 3D printing were bringing imaginary creations to life, ability to customize devices, enhancing the learning of all students in the classroom, and use of the technology by anyone to create an accessible environment.
Dependent variable. They can use of 3D printers to create their own classroom materials, toys, and etc. For teachers, providing acceptable material for students with visual impairment in the classroom, and recommendation for inclusive implementation and access.
Our students have to learn how to design and 3D print models for varieties of uses.